Alright, this is another video regarding transfer switches. So this is the DIN Ray breaker style transfer switch and it's rated 63 amps. So what we have here, it can safely sit inside your enclosure box, probably during your solar installation. So these are supply from, let me say for this illustration, these are our solar. It's coming from this power station. Our supply comes, the negative comes to terminal. Bring it up a little. The positive comes to terminal 2. It comes to terminal 2. While the negative comes to terminal 6. Then from our grid, the negative comes to terminal 8 and the positive is terminal 4. Then the load goes to terminal 1 and 5. So this load is represented with this bulb, but normally your home distribution board is what the output of this place goes to. So your NEPA source comes here. Whatever use case you're using it for, you will know how to appropriately distribute your design. Now, the reason why this is useful in installation, it can safely sit inside this DIN rail style enclosure box. So let me put it in and we'll quickly do a simulation. Okay, first off, these are NEPA source and these are solar source. Let me put both of them on. Now each of these sources on this place are labeled. You can see the first terminal. Let me see. You can see this place is labeled I. 2 and 6 is labeled I. While 4 and 8 is labeled II. So you can see the label in here. See, this is II. This is II. Then at the bottom will be I. So if I switch it, you can see I. And what sources are I? Our I is our power station. This is the middle. People call it neutral. Then why this bottom is II? Is our source from the grid. So let me carefully place it in. You can see. Now let me turn off the grid. So even when we move it to II, we don't have supply. This is on II, we don't have supply. But one is on I, we have supply. See, on I, we have supply on both ends. So what this can do, you can use this portion for NEPA and use this portion for solar, but it will be enclosed inside your breaker. So whatever you do, you must always come here to manually operate it. You must come here to manually switch it. You must come here to switch it manually. As opposed to using the old regular changeovers, this will make your installation neat and tidy and looking more aesthetically pleasing. So imagine the cables are properly secured in a trunking pipe or a trunking pipe or a regular pipe. You see how neat this setup would be compared to using the traditional changeover. And note, this DIN rail styled transfer switch are rated differently. Ensure you do not use the wrong rating and always engage the services of a professional while carrying out installations like this. So this is 63 amps. There are cases where you will require to use 100 amps. There are cases where you'll be required to use a 125 amps. There are cases where you'll be required to use a 3-phase transfer switch like this. This is a manual. I prefer to call it the breaker DIN rail styled transfer switch. Thank you.